Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Shumatt channel. This is Caitlin. Our company is specialized in the common rail injector, and today I'd like to share with you this is our fuel injectors. Okay, then please let's take a look. The outside package is brown box, and let's check the one side. The one side of the boxes you will see a label. The label information includes the product code. The product code is 0950001211. If you want to customize the services by the Schumatt, we can help you to design the logo, label, and the package bags and so on. Okay then, let's check it inside. Okay. In the inside, we had two layers. The first layer can be better protect the fuel injector to avoid some damages during the transportation. The second layer is the VCI and rust bags. This one, that's the inside product. And okay, for this one, it's applicable for the Komatsu. And okay, then please let's check the details. First, you can see the solenoid valve part. And generally, we use this one to protect it, to cover it. Each of our items before we send to our customers, we will make the 3 times common rail test. After we test it, we will send out. And from this part, you can see. In the inside, this one is a triangle valve in the inside. This is the nozzle part. And we might also supply with the 6-month warranty time to our customers. So during this time, if you're not satisfied with the qualities, you can contact us. We can return it to exchange your product for you. Okay, so much for the product details. If you want to know more, please send us by the comments, or at the end of the video you will see our WhatsApp and our emails. If you don't mind, you can leave your own WhatsApp and your connect with. Okay, time is so fast, it's time to say goodbye. So thank you for your time. See you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye.